Hello, everybody. If you're like most of us, this year has been in the toilet. Every goal you set, every New Year's resolution became very difficult to accomplish based on our new reality. However, in every problem, there's always an opportunity. And I think the opportunity for now, as we're halfway through this year, is to have some time to think about your new goals, right? Think about 2021, start planning for that. And I want to kind of talk about goal setting. I know people are always like, well, Ray, you're the networking guy. But one of the biggest mistakes, I think, or problems people have in networking is doing it without any goal in mind, right? Or just trying to, get customers to have a transaction. What I talk about is setting goals in a mnemonic method I use to remember the type of goal setting that I want to do is called PAVE the Road, PAVE, right? So your goals should be principled or based on your principles. They should be attainable. They should be value based, and they should also be exciting. And I'll talk a little bit about that. So your principles, right? What are your core principles? As you go through life and as you're going through your year, you're going to be presented with opportunities. Some of them you should take, some of them you shouldn't, right? But you can't make every decision on just finances or how much money you're going to make or how this is going to make you look, right? You have to have core principles in mind before you make those decisions. I know many times when I have gone against my principles and made a decision or did a deal or took a job, I've always regretted it. And so principles need to be at the core of your goals. So as you're setting your goals, does it align with your principles, and is it principle based? The second thing for goals, I think they should be attainable. It's okay to have I know we talk about the big, hairy A goals, and making things that are so big. However, I think that our mind or what the research tells us is that if your mind can't believe it, then you really probably are not going to achieve it, right? So as you're setting your goals for the year, think about, is this something attainable? And one thing I love Tony Robbins' quote that most people underestimate what they can do in 10 years, but they overestimate what they can do in a year, right? So they have unattainable goals and then they get frustrated. So make sure that your goals are something that you can, or that you believe you can attain. It doesn't matter whether you actually can or not. Do you believe it inside that this is a goal that you can reach? And if it is, then that's what I call an attainable goal. The V in PAVE is for value-based, similar to principles. However, I think your values are different, right? So these are the things that bring you joy. These are the things that resonate with you. In my book, I talk about, we have a list of about 150 words, right? So maybe it's serenity, maybe it's peace, maybe it's money, maybe it's love. These are the things that bring you joy, right? So these are the things that you value in life, and everybody is a little different. So make sure that you understand what your values are and that these goals also align with your values, right? So for instance, if your goal is to make $1 million, but money isn't something that, or having just an accumulation of money isn't something that you really value, then reaching that goal is not going to make you happy, right? If you like traveling and you have a job that a retail job where you can never leave, you have to be there every day, having that goal is not going to make you happy. So make sure that your goals are value based. And last but not least, make your goal exciting, right? And just because something is attainable doesn't mean that it can't be exciting. So, what gets you up in the morning, right? So make sure that your goal is something that You know, when you get up in the morning, you feel like, man, you're beating the sun because you're so excited about this goal. So if you have goals, again, that are principle based, that are attainable, that are value based, and are exciting, you'll be much more likely to reach your goals at the end of the year. So that's my kind of tip of the day for planning your goals for 2021. Stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you next time.